new string, new word. Okay, I created a string called new word, and let's build up our word. So, what's the first thing we need to put in this new word? Anyone else other than people who already talked?
Talk to your neighbors real quick, and then I want every group to give them an answer.
What's the first thing you put in the abbreviation?
Ask for help. That's why you guys have neighbors, guys. Go talk.
You would need the first letter, right? Like and then I wasn't sure if this works in this index, but like n dot size minus 2 because you two size. And then
You aren't talking, you're not thinking. Come on,
plus
let's
1
go.
because you know 0. Because like you have the ring.
If it's awkward, give them your name. It's a good place to start.
I will get that.
Yeah, the last one, how did I do? It's like you could go.
Come on, I see the people who aren't talking here. Come on, let's go. Start thinking.
Okay, maybe like you don't forget the length of it, right? And then, because you have to subtract 1 because it starts at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you could just substitute.
Okay, someone on in this table answer me.
So first you would do like word, and then you would do brackets 0.
Yes, very nice. We want the first character, so we do word bracket 0.
Word bracket 0.
That's the first character of the word, right?
Yes.
Then what do we need to do? Is there someone else from here? Okay, you already answered if you. So how about someone who hasn't answered anything yet? No one?
Come on. If you guys aren't going to volunteer, I'm going to pick you.
Go ahead.
Word bracket, word dot size.
Word bracket word dot size. That's not how you find the size of the word. We need to include the length of the word, right? Not exactly length of the word, but something a bit different. So, anyone figure it out? Go ahead. Word dot size minus 2. Why minus 2? Yep, you have the first and last letter right already, right? That means the number of words that you took out is word dot size minus 2. So here we're going to add here. This is no space here. So new word. Let's go to word bracket 0. Plus we use the plus. This is called string concatenation. You're combining strings together. Plus what? Word dot size minus 2. Does everyone understand that? Because you already took the first letter and you took the last letter, so the number of letters you cut out is word dot size minus 2. Now this won't add with this though. Why? Anyone know why? Yeah? Yeah, you're adding a string in it. So what should we do with this to convert it to a string? To a string, right? So instead of doing this, we do to underscore string, and we pass in the word dot size minus 2. Okay, we need to add one more thing. Anyone know? I'll just put it on the next line because now I have space. What else do we need to add? This gives us the first character, the first letter. This gives us the string of it. This is the length of the string minus 2. That's the number in between. What else do we need? It's always the same hands.
Start picking people.
Any answer?
I'm not totally sure.
No, are you sure?
Hey, ask people around you. I don't.
I did word dot.
Well, you back there. Yeah. What do we need here though? What are we missing?
Word bracket, word dot back.
The last letter.
The last letter. How do we get the last letter? Anyone know how to get the last letter? We need to index into it, right? How do you index into it? Yes?
I did word dot back.
Word dot back.
I gave them the API so they might have
Oh.
some functions that you may not know.
Okay. Should I go with that? Or should I just do the? I'll do the normal way.
Yeah.
I don't know the
But
normal way.
That's
to do it.
good. That's good. You're being
It's- yeah, it's good
responsible.
though. Yeah. Yes.
Plus word dot open bracket.
Word. We did index into it, so we need the brackets. But what index do we need to find?
Word dot size minus
Word dot size minus 1. we're gonna index into the word dot size minus 1. Anyone know why? Why is it minus 1? This gives us the last letter. Why? Yeah?
Because the first letter is 0.
Yep, the first index is always 0 in strings and like this. So you don't want to get the index word size, right? Not the last. That's not the last letter. That goes past. You did minus 1 because remember indexes they start numbering from 0. Okay. Does everyone understand that? And the last thing you do, we're pretty much done with this problem, right? What do you do now? One. Yeah.
See out.
See out, right? See out what? The new word.
Blue color.
And this is it. That's the program. Right? Does everyone understand? If you input the word, if the size is less than or equal to 11, if it's not too large, then you just need to see out the word. Else, if it is too large, you create the abbreviation, then you see out that. Okay?
Isn't there a variable amount of difference?
Variable amount of what? Oh, yeah, that was a problem. But the problem I'm giving everyone is just one input. Yeah, it's a bit easier. Alright, so if that's too hard for you, don't worry about it because you haven't learned that much in C++ yet. But once you go through this class, you'll know a lot more. Yeah, so that's an example of a kind of question, a kind of problem that might be asked in a programming competition. Okay. Any questions? Yeah.
I think it's the first house.
This right here?
Yeah.
Well, if the word size, right, the size of the word is less than or equal to 11, that means it's not too long, right? That means you just print out the original word. You don't need to change it, you just print out the original word. You just see out the word. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, then that's it.
Dang, you used up the entire hour.
Whoops.
It's okay. Yeah, I was going to go over the Pig Latin project, but it's okay. So, raise your hand again if you got started on the Pig Latin project. Raise your hand if you have no idea how to start the Pig Latin project. Okay, well, in 2 minutes, I'll try to go through the logic of the Pig Latin project. 2 minutes, I got this.
Okay.
Or, oh, this is a bad color. Brown. I'll do black. Alright. We'll need this. Alright, so Pig Latin. Give me an example of converting English to Pig Latin with my name, Daniel. What's annual day, right? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, oh yeah, he's just got to go, but yeah, thanks, Jared. Bye. Yeah. Annual day. Okay, so this is our, nope. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay, totally forgot about that. So, what's the pattern here? How do I convert this to that? Talk amongst yourselves, and then I want each group
Take the
to.
first letter, point to the back, and add